Hey dog, I see you are playing as Recon again.
Yes. It is the only class I play.
But our team is attacking, and I am the only medic. Our team could use another.
Forget about it. I can't reach an uber high kill death ratio as medic. Also, I might die.
Others are dying right now because we don't have enough medics.
I don't care. Sniping from 3 miles away is the only way to get massive marksman headshot points.
But you are the second lowest scoring player on our team. And we have 9 snipers already.
That isn't important. I am spotting to help our team.
You can spot as a medic too. And you can revive our fallen teammates to save our tickets.
I don't care. People that die are bad at this game. Wait. What the fuck was that? I just got stabbed in the back.
If you were closer to the objective, I could revive you right now.
No. That player is obviously hacking. He has invisibility hack.
I don't think so. He saw you crouching in the same spot for over half the map. He drove a quad bike behind you and killed you while you were scoped in.
Impossible.
If you were working with your team, one of your squad mates may have seen him and killed him.
Doubtful. I will just move farther away so people cannot get behind me.
That is a horrible idea. Come attack the objective with your squad so we can win this game.
Negative. Snipers are only effective from far away.
Sometimes. But we have 9 other snipers already. And still only 1 medic.
Okay, I spawned. As a medic.
You did. That's great. Ah. What the fuck? I just got killed by a Carl Gustav while behind the wall for the 3rd time.
Don't worry, I can revive you.
Thanks. Oh my god. Now I died from a 40mm grenade.
Okay, I revive you again. Wow, medic is fun to play.
Now I just got sniped from someone camping in their spawn.
Here. Take this medic pack. It will heal you.
Thanks. Wow. I just got shotgunned and killed instantly. This is stupid. I'm switching to recon and sniping.